Ladies and gentlemen, the wedding that we've all been waiting for is finally here. Petunia and Sakhile are finally tying the knot there on Smoke and Mirrors. So let us talk about that and more here on this video. But first, I need to request you guys to like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel to watch my previous videos. So enjoy this video. It looks like the conflict between Petunia and Tiny finally gave birth to a successful wedding, because e.tv just announced that the wedding will be on the Valentine's Day. And for those who don't know, Petunia and Tiny had been fighting about everything. I am talking about the venue, decors, dress, MC, everything. I mean, there's nothing that they agreed on, literally. So, as I have mentioned, the recent event shows that they've fixed their differences, because the wedding date has finally been announced. And I'm certain that we've all seen this clip from e.tv's TikTok page. So for those who haven't watched the clip, well, it shows highlights of Sakhile and Petunia's wedding ceremony. And I must say, the ceremony looks good. Everyone is happy. In fact, let me just break down the clip for you. Let's go. So the video starts by showing everyone's outfits. It looks like Petunia finally managed to get the fabric that she wanted, because the clip shows her dress, and as expected from the bride, she looks stunning. Then the attendants. The clip shows everyone except for Mr. and Mrs. Ngonyama. It looks like they're the only people who did not attend the wedding. And speaking about people's attendance, Ntabiseng's twin shows up as well. While the event was taking place, Ntabiseng's sister appears. I don't know what the cows were for, but she goes to the kraal and releases all the cows there. Now, I don't know whether she'll get caught or not, or if the cows are going to be recovered, but of course, not everything was going to be as smooth. But what is important is the fact that the wedding continues. The bride and the groom said their vows, of course. The wedding was a success. Petunia was finally Mrs. Petunia Buthelezi. So as I've mentioned, this wedding will air on our screens on Valentine's Day on the 14th and on the 17th of February 2025. I hope you guys are as excited to watching this episode. And all that being said, do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to the topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.